What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this video in which I wanted to cover Maker again, or the MKR token, which it's actually quite interesting because since the whole drop we had a little over a week ago, Maker has actually gone up, which Maker is one of the only, or maybe the only major crypto, maybe the only top 100 crypto that has actually gone up. Here you can see the end of April, we're higher than that, while most cryptos are actually down here. So multiple reasons for that, I think. I think the main reason is that the trust and the belief in the DAI token, which Maker is one of the things it is the governance token of the DAI stablecoin. And the trust in that stablecoin has increased massively after what happened at Terra and with UST. And I think I am invested in Maker. That's why it's also interesting to make these videos for me, because I've been invested in Maker for quite a long time. So I also saw this massive bull run we had. Didn't sell any, which probably was a mistake, but still. It's always good to take partials. Even, I mean, it's good to always hold a little, but taking partials is definitely not something to be ashamed of, my opinion. So yeah, that's why I think it's interesting as well, because I have believed in Maker for a very long time as well. I think DAI is one of the best stable coins out there. It's not the only stable coin I hold, but still. So I wanted to take a look at it because it's actually quite phenomenal how much strength it had. And in the last analysis we did, and these analyses don't get watched that often because Maker is not that exciting of a project. I think so, but I completely understand why you think it isn't. So last analysis we said that this was the price target, which we reached. Got a nice rejection from 1630 down to 1450, which would have been a nice trade, would have been a 10% trade. But yeah, now it definitely does seem like we're breaking it. So I wanted to do an update as well. And basically, it's very tough to analyze right now because I think we can actually reach this 618 FIB at around $2,000. I think that's the most likely scenario, but that is also kind of based upon the fact that the whole market is green today. Obviously, over the last 7 days, it's still very red. But sometimes you have these days where you have relatively more bullish momentum. And that also means that Maker has more opportunities due to the correlation in the market. So I think Maker can actually get up to 2000. But one thing we need to do is to actually break above this 1700 level. Which that's the difficult part, because the upper bound of this bigger key area is actually here around 1800. But I would argue that if we break above 1700, that we have established ourselves within this level, which in my opinion with bullish momentum could only mean that we're going to break out of it up until $2,000. Now, do I think we are able to break above $2,000 right now? No, I don't think so. I think we'll reject off that pretty hard down to like 1600 again. And from there, I think this whole level will hold for a longer period of time, but I also am expecting some more bearish impulses throughout the whole market. In the end, we are in quite bearish markets. And I don't think Maker can like distantiate itself from those moves once again. So that would mean a move down to this level here at around 1300. But I think that's going to happen within the next few weeks, but I do think for like the short term, for the next few days, that this 1600 level will hold for some days after we've touched 2000. So that still gives us some breathing space, but I just wanted to tell you about that and my whole position on that. So that's basically my analysis on Maker for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.